Many of you might know Insta360 for their 360 cameras and action cameras designed for extreme sports, but today I'm going to show you one of their latest powerful, the Link2 series, a 4K AI-powered webcams. Insta360 has introduced two models, the Link2, a gimbal-stabilized 4K webcam with smooth AI tracking, and the Link2C, a more affordable, static option that still delivers premium video quality. With AI-powered enhancements and a high-performance 1/2 sensor, both models are built for professionals, educators, and content creators. But which one is right for you? Let's dive in. If you're looking for the ultimate smart webcam, the Link2 is packed with amazing features. Its 4K resolution and large 1/2 sensor capture vivid details, rich colors, and excellent low-light performance. But where it really shines is its gimbal-powered AI tracking. Whether you are presenting, moving around during a live stream, or giving online lecture, the 3-axis gimbal keeps you centered, smoothly tracking your movements with impressive precision. No more awkwardly adjusting your webcam, the camera follows you. Another standout feature is its advanced noise-canceling microphone, designed to cut out background noise and deliver clear speech.
Testing the noise cancellation. Testing the noise cancellation.
This is a game changer for hybrid meetings where typical webcams struggle with background noise. Noise cancellation is usually a premium feature found in professional audio hardware, but here it's built right in. So if you are a content creator, educator, or someone who needs dynamic motion tracking and pro-level audio clarity, the Link2 is a game changer and I highly recommend it. Now about the Link2C. If you don't need the gimbal but still want top-tier 4K video, the Link2C is the perfect choice. It shares the same high-quality sensor and AI-powered enhancements, but in a fixed, non-gimbal design. This makes it ideal for work calls, virtual meetings, and stationary setups where AI framing and auto zoom helps keep you in focus without any extra effort. One more thing, the Link2C comes in white, making it a perfect match for clean, modern desk setups. And at $149, it's a more affordable alternative without sacrificing quality or performance. So whether you need smooth AI-powered tracking with the Link2 or a sleek, budget-friendly 4K webcam with the Link2C, Insta360 has you covered. Which one fits your setup best? Let me know in the comments. Check out the links below to grab the Insta360 Link2 series and for the white Link2C. The first 10 orders get a 10% discount. Don't miss out. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.